Hadin balami gi khobor hamsaya ki baong bawa Preston tensong ubadiu sembut Menteri Rangba jong Sorkar Jela ba unmi no nagaseng NPP batlet penyeso bat keseng rilum nakamenta ke election arjar arpulai Henry haba persiang ban keli halor kene benta uneu sembut Menteri Rangba jong Sorkar Jela uloong bakum keta kejeng keli bat ka khobor kam de benwan namar hadu menta udang kemen ba udon hapa keseng NPP banyo ban ai ya kejeng sikri ke babaha syagi pajba jong Jela Bat hakanek election MLA arhajar arpulai ru uba Preston tensong ula pentikna ba un yekhun yak election MLA arhajar arpulai na penuslah. Bat ulong ru bagi jing sekri ye kepai ba kejela kam dadon kam yak syuki Menteri Rangba lan ye syuki Menteri Sorkar Henry don kam ban job tang ke election bat ban ai ke jing sekri hadin bala job ke election.
From NPP.
Are you not interested in the Chief Minister seat?
Question of chief ministership does not arise because we wanted to contest and to fight and to win election. Are you trying to say that serving the people is only by the chair of chief ministership? It is not like that. In any capacity, the moment you are elected, you can contribute maximum to the state of Meghalaya.
So it's more of a team game for you.
It is. It should be. That's what I'm saying. It should be. It's a teamwork. Once you have a teamwork, when your teamwork is strong, so everything is fine.
That means you are happy with the NPP.
Sorry?
You are happy with.
More than happy. It's more than happy.
So it's a happy married life.
Sorry?
Happy married life.
Yes, why not?
But
Very much.
parties are approaching you also. But
Which party?
UDP.
See, I don't know much about that. Did they approach me? I don't know. Maybe through you, if they approach, maybe.
But some truth may be
Some
there.
communications
Or like that?
made to you.
Okay, I don't know. If it's like that, I don't know really.